Hello everyone, my name is Chris and I am presenting you my submission to a Sovrython hackathon. My submission is a sort of a bridge between RSK blockchain and Lightning Network. Why I decided to do this? The first motivation is obviously as a learning experience, but otherwise I think that current way of going Lightning to RSK blockchain takes quite some time and fees, because first you have to convert Lightning bitcoins to regular bitcoins, and then you have to send those regular bitcoins to the fast BTC address, and after an hour or so you receive RBTC. Once this software is completed, it will also be a way for full noders to offer service to friends and family and generate some revenue. What I mean by this is, if you are hosting a full node, you could also set this project up, connect it with your full node, and you can offer a bridge service to anyone who trusts you. And currently, not many exchanges are supporting RSK and Lightning Network on the same service. So the solution is hosted on this repository. It's still a work in progress, but currently the buying RBTC with Lightning is working, and I should probably have it deployed on mainnet sometime soon. So this is the flow for getting RBTC with Lightning. User logins with MetaMask wallet. Then he decides the amount that he wants to buy. Then we present him the invoice, and once the invoice is paid, we send him to the RBTC to the address that he provided when logging with the MetaMask. Then another way is paying the Lightning invoice. Here, user also logins with MetaMask wallet, then pastes the Lightning invoice. We decode that, and we construct a transaction that user must pay. Once the transaction is confirmed, we pay the Lightning invoice that the user pasted in the first step. As a backup scenario, user can prove that he paid by showing an on-chain payment that contains the Lightning invoice that should have been paid by us. So for the future plans, I plan on finishing the Lightning flow. So paying the Lightning invoice flow, this is this one. I plan on doing a mainnet deployment. There is also a site called Redshift that offers similar service but with Ethereum. So I could maybe look them up, how are they doing it, and integrate with them or rewrite my project by their ways. There is also another exchange called Bolt Exchange, which is open source and also offers Ethereum and Lightning and Bitcoin conversions. And as a next step, I would also like to add capability for converting other assets. So, for example, I could buy SOV with Lightning Bitcoin directly without converting it before, stuff like that. And I would like to package this application to be able to be hosted on a full node server, like on GetUmbra and stuff like that. So thanks for watching my presentation. Here is my contact information and Twitter if anyone is interested. And now let me show you the application.
Hello. So as I said earlier, this is the application. It is hosted on this URL, so sovrython.resale.app. This current iteration, only this option is available, and you can use it by logging in. Once you're logged in, the application retrieves your MetaMask address from the MetaMask extension. After that, you can press the Buy RBTC button. You input the amount of Satoshis that you want to buy. So for example, here I'm buying 1,234 Satoshis. This is like 0.0001234 Bitcoin. And so once I press submit, Lightning invoice is presented, which I can pay. So this is the Lightning invoice that I'm paying. It's on the testnet. So now the payment was sent, and in a few seconds in here, I should get that the payment was successfully received. And once the payment is received, the address should retrieve RBTC in a minute or two. We can verify this by going to RBTC RSK-Lightning Explorer. And we can just copy paste this address. And in here, we should see in a few moments that a new transaction should appear. Yeah, 30 seconds ago. And if we check the transaction, we can see that the value was the same amount that user paid the Lightning invoice. So thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me.